Yes, sir.
Hi, Tom. It needs to be done tonight.
Tonight? What are you talking about?
Yes, the guy in front of you will give you the deal.
Jack? Coca-Cola?
Welcome back everyone to another video. This is Muhammad Hamdi. What you just saw was a 45-second commercial video for Coca-Cola, and I'm talking here about the second part, not the first. However, if you want to know more about how I clone myself in the first part, I'll be making another video about that soon. Honestly, this video is not sponsored by Coca-Cola, but if you want to sponsor it. So if you want to know more about the tips and tricks that I used in this video, I'll simplify everything point by point, so make sure that you watch carefully. First thing is first, you might be wondering about the props that I used in this video. So let me tell you about the setup. First, we have the old telephone. I don't know why exactly I use it, but I felt it would fit perfectly because of its colors and style. We've got also that big fake cap. In fact, I use it as a decoration item, and that's because of my habit of buying strange things. And there is this stocking for the background. Then the fishing toy to spin the bottle, and that was inspired by Steve Wright. If you don't have it, you can use anything else such as Lazy Susan or anything you can spin the bottle on. About the background and table, both are black to make coherence with the liquid color. Moving on to the lighting, I'm gonna be using a main light in around a 45-degree angle to light the whole scene, and a whiteboard to fill out the shadows the main light created. And that would be a very good alternative if you don't have many light heads. Also, there is the second light directed towards the background token, and I'm gonna be changing the color of it with colored papers. At first, it will be blue paper, then green. And I'll put the colored papers in front of the lighting head to change the white color. Going further to the camera settings, I'm gonna be using Canon M50 with the kit lens, and I'll shoot everything in 60 frames per second, so I can slow down the footage in post. I also used it on manual settings in order to control everything, especially the focus, as I switched it many times in this video. Let's go to the first scene. What I did is placing the camera in front of the telephone with the token pot in the background. Then I changed the lighting of the token by using the blue paper as I mentioned before. So basically I focused on the telephone first, and after I picked up the handset, and I switched the focus to the token in the background. In the next shot, I did the exact same with the bottle and the token in the background. The third shot is different, as I put the tape on the fishing toy to give it extra height with the cap above, then I spanned it. In the next shot, I put the bottle on the cap while spinning it and took different shots with different angles. In the glass shot, I put the glass on the cap, and I changed the light of the token from blue to green using the colored papers. Then I dropped the ice in the glass while taking different shots with two different angles. In the next shot, I want to change the slow speed of the video. So I'm gonna use these wheels to put the camera on it and push in. Also, in order to change the speed and theme, I'm gonna use that cool effect in light head that gave the quick green flashlight. In the following shot, I'll shake the bottle, so when I open it, it phases. In the next shot, I did the exact same, but while pouring the liquid inside the glass. In the last shot, I'm gonna use the wheels again to create another pushing shot. I started with putting the handset back on the telephone. Then I dragged the bottle from the side. All of this, I was switching the focus back and forth between the background token, telephone, and the bottle. So guys, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and let me know in the comments below if you like this video. And remember, it's not about capabilities, it's all about passion. See you in the next video.